In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot with ShareX. Region, window, full screen. ShareX is a powerful free tool for capturing exactly what you need on your screen, whether that's your entire display, a single app window, or just a specific area. Let's walk through each method clearly so you can choose the one that fits your task. First, make sure ShareX is running. You can open the app from your Start menu or right-click the ShareX icon in your system tray to bring up the menu. To capture everything you see, use the full screen option. Go to Capture, then choose Full Screen, or use the hotkey you've configured for full screen. ShareX instantly takes a screenshot of everything visible across all your monitors. This is ideal when you want the whole picture, like capturing a full dashboard or multi-monitor layout. Keep in mind that anything visible, notifications, taskbars, or pop-ups, will be included. After the capture, ShareX handles it based on your settings, such as copying to the clipboard, saving to a folder, or opening the editor. You can always find your recent captures in the ShareX history if you need to review them. Next, let's capture just the window you're focused on. In ShareX, go to Capture and select Active Window. Then click the window you want to capture. This takes a screenshot of only that application window, without your desktop or other apps. It's great for clean documentation or when you want to share a single program without distractions. Make sure the window you want is clearly in focus, and if it has any menus or dialog boxes open, those will be included as part of that window. Finally, use Region when you only need a part of the screen. Go to Capture and choose Region. Your screen will dim and a crosshair will appear. Click and drag to draw a rectangle around exactly what you want to capture and release to take the screenshot. This is especially useful for highlighting a specific chart, a portion of a web page, or any area you want to isolate. Take a moment to align the edges precisely before releasing so you get a clean image without extra background. That's it. 3 reliable ways to capture with ShareX. Full screen for everything, active window for a single app, and region for a custom selection. Use the one that matches your goal, and you'll get neat, accurate screenshots every time.